Motorists in St. Mary are appealing to drivers to slow down when traversing the roadway. This followed a deadly crash last night. This is the fifth crash in the parish within a week. Shamela Pullen has the details.
Debris scattered across section of the Aitiboriel Main Road in St. Mary Thursday night. It was the scene of a deadly crash which claimed the life of 57-year-old Argo Johnson, a contractor from Kingston. According to reports, at about 10:20 Thursday night, Mr. Johnson was driving his motor car heading towards Kingston when another vehicle coming from the opposite direction collided with his car. The other vehicle, which was being driven by a 35-year-old man, burst into flames. Both men were taken to the hospital where Mr. Johnson was pronounced dead. The driver of the other vehicle is said to be in serious but stable condition.
Whenever you need him, you call him and he's there for you. So I'm sad to hear of what happened to him. It's my cousin's really good friend, and I hope he has a speedy recovery. I don't know too much about it. I just heard about it this morning. I hope he does well, and I'm sorry to whoever had to experience the loss of their loved one in the other vehicle. It's a sad thing, and my condolences to you.
This latest incident has raised a number of concerns among motorists in the parish.
Take them time drive, my brother. Trust me. I don't like what I go on. And some of them, anytime they drive with them phone. And all the while go and talk to them about the phone. And them not hear boss. I don't love that. I know, see him lose a life. Well, I tell you, well, we are motorists, I bike me riding now, but I don't like what I go on the road.
Me no drive at night, brother. 72-year-old man, this me no drive at night. If you pay me $1 million, no way if you go, no way. Me no drive at night.
Why?
Yeah, man.
Why?
No, because of the lights them that the people have in them vehicle. Me can't manage it. When them turn on them bright lights and you can't see nothing, absolutely nothing. You can't see nothing. You have to stop.
Road users are being reminded to be extra careful, especially as the Christmas season fast approaches.
Just be mindful of the fact that somebody loves you, lots of people love you. So just be careful. Don't drink and drive. Get someone else to drive you. And just be careful on the road because, people are hurrying to get here and there. And be mindful, keep it in your heart that somebody loves you and you don't want to go that way.
Exactly 1 week ago, 4 people died in a motor vehicle crash in the parish. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.